Hi guys, guess what I'm doing today? You guessed it right. I am making soap today. So I have here my embeds. These are some pink lemonade slices, and these are just some of my my lemon, and these are my embeds. And I am waiting for my oil and my lye to cool down. So let me take a temperature reading. 187, so that has to cool right down. And I'm using some pinks today. I think I'm gonna use another pink because I want more this color. So I'm gonna use the pink fairy and some yellow. The main batch is gonna be yellow and some different color pinks I'll be using. And my fragrance is already measured out, so oh, it smells delicious. But these fragrance, because it's lemonade and Cocoa Cabana is pretty strong. I think I'm gonna put some Nutriserb in here, and of course my gloves and my goggles, and I will bring you back when my lye and my oils are ready. Alright guys, I'm back with my oils. I'm going to take a temperature reading. I think I'm in the 90s now. Okay, so that's 93, and my lye water, I have to strain it. My lye water is okay, so 87.8. And I'm going to strain my lye water because I have some silk in here, and the silk is like, I really have to strain it. It's not much. And I use silk to give the soap a nice silky feel to it. Just a little additive. And I toss that into the sink. And I'm gonna go ahead and give this a bit of a zap. So I'm going to pour some of this in here in my mold. I hope you can see that. This is a very small mold anyways. It's small and I love this mold. It's so cute. Sorry if you can't see that. Okay, so apparently I am too silly because I am going to add, I may have to make some to make to pipe the tops because I don't know if I have enough here. Yeah, I don't think I have enough here. Yeah, I'll have to make some to pipe the tops. Okay. Ugh. Silly me, silly me. All my colors mixed in as best as I can. I'm gonna have some white spots because the mica didn't mix in that well. So what I'm gonna do is pour the rest in here, and it's different colors, and that's it for this one. I think I'm gonna leave this here for me to pipe on top of my, for the rest, and that should be enough. Okay, so I shall bring you back for the piping, and I have to place my embed, so I need some sort of a high top going on here. She'll bring you back. Okay, so this worked out pretty great. The colors, I have some mixed. Some of the colors are mixed. And it's ready to pipe, I think. I'm just going to put it in my piping bag. I have a nozzle in there. Put that on this side. Put some yellow on this side, so I'll get a pretty nice color. I think it's working out just right. Just right, just right, just right. Alright, I think I'm ready to pipe, and I hope you can see what I am doing, and I'll try to keep my hands out of camera. going to pipe some leaves here. Alright guys, I have one more decoration to add to the Pinky Lemonade soap. Because this is an end piece, I want to give it a little bit of spice. Okay, so I'm gonna start from this end here, and I'm gonna cut right a little bit before my embeds. I hope you can see that, what I'm doing. There's the pinky swirls. That's the drop swirls, and you can see I have some white spots there. That's from the titanium dioxide, and this is such a cute top. I just love the tops. My bottoms aren't cutting very well. It's kind of slant. I'm not sure why that is, but freehand is not my thing. It's not too bad. Oh, got to show you the tops. That's it, I think. and the end parts are just the leaves. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and join me on my other social media for giveaways. When I have giveaways for like bath bombs and such things. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.